Gonna be one hell of a build series. What's going on, guys? My name is Matt Pinella with MattBangsWood, and we are back with another banger video. Today, we are having some fun. We've got a winery project going, and we have some demo to do before we can start framing. We came out here a couple of weeks ago. I shot a little teaser video showing you guys the outside of the build. We are doubling the square footage on this place. It's all 18-foot walls, 2x8 LSL studs. This is going to be a fun project, and it's going to be the new build series. Couldn't be happier. We're hitting some good fog this morning. I'm gonna catch up with you guys once we're at the winery. All right, you guys, we just showed up at the winery. Got the 26-foot scissor lift getting dropped off. Gonna go grab it off the truck right now. Thank you very much.
Yeah, no problem.
7 o'clock, actually, I mean 7 o'clock. I like it.
And he was.
So we have to try and get this thing through a very tight doorway. Hoping it's possible. Tight fit. Now that scissor lift fit through the door with quite a bit of room left. We were planning on getting a 32-footer because the lid is 26 foot at the ridge, but the 32-footer was within an inch or two of being able to fit through that door. We are all good to go. Rolled out all of our tools, got all of our batteries going. Case and level, still using these things. Couple batteries for the day. Only thing we're using is an impact today. Square tip bit. We're having a grand old time. I'll take you guys inside in just a second, show you guys what we're doing, how we're doing it, and why we're doing it. You guys can get a pretty good understanding of the footprint of this place just by looking at what's going on the ground. So let's go take a look. So our addition's coming out right there, all the way over. Then we have a small pop out over there as well. 18-foot walls, matching existing siding. Check that out though. 12 by 12 post and beam. We got a little bit more light in here. As you can see, they look like ants way back there. This place is big. So we're gonna be going off of that corner and right about there, carrying out then over for our addition, and then the same thing right over there. So we're stripping these walls for our tie-in. We're gonna be stripping back the ceiling as well to where we can do our tie-in for our California back onto this roof. Overall though, demo's going well. Let's check out what they got going. We stuck tape on all of our sheets. We're gonna go ahead and mark them. That way when we take them down, they can go back up just as easy. Drop a big old like on this video if this is a build series that you'd like to see. This winery edition is gonna be a heck of a lot of fun. I literally hate insulation. Little update for you guys real quick. We're stripping insulation out right now. The guys got all these sheets down. Looks awesome. So we had a little bit of a holdup, which is gonna put us back a day or two. Not in the first sheet, but the second sheet, fire sprinkler there, all the way down. We have to bring someone out that knows about those things or I'm gonna end up flooding this place. So they're coming out tomorrow, hopefully. Not too sure yet. To take all those out, cap all of them to where we can take our sheets down. Like I explained, the plan is to take it from here over to there and pyramid back to the ridge and then back down to where our addition out there can tie back in on the roof. Just got a call right now saying that more than likely these fire sprinkler guys aren't gonna be out here until Wednesday. The day I'm filming this, it's Wednesday. So they're not gonna be out here for a week. So with that being said, we're gonna finish out today. I'm actually taking off a little bit earlier. You guys are gonna cruise with me. These guys are gonna finish up as much as they can. We're gonna be back. We have another full day here. We'll be demoing the rest of this place, hopefully later in the week next week. We're looking a lot more cleaned up. Got all this insulation cleaned up and organized for the most part. The guys are going ahead and stripping this first row of sheets all the way down, as you can see down here. I want you guys to see how massive this building is. These guys are gonna get us taken care of, keep on demoing, keep us moving forward. This build is going to be a lot of fun, and I hope you guys look forward to the build series on this. This is going to be one of the bigger projects that we do. Not necessarily square footage wise, but height wise and walls. 2x8 LSL. We've got about 400 foot of wall to lift. It's going to get heavy. Not the biggest project we've done, nowhere close to it, but definitely a fun one. We are back on the road, heading to the office right now. A little bit shorter of a day than normal for me, but I'm gonna go back there. I have a few things to do, a couple certificates to submit, get prepped for future projects. Gotta keep us moving forward. If you enjoyed this video, please thumbs up down below, drop a comment, and let me know if you're interested in this build series. To be honest, it's not one of the most intricate, but it is gonna be fun. Big old monster 2x8 LSL, 18 foot studs, scissor trusses. It's gonna get fun, guaranteed. Hope you guys are ready for it. Leave a big old like on this video, drop a comment down below, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, that little bell right there, ding ding. Hope you guys enjoyed. I will catch you guys next time. Bang on.